Hello. We are today going to try and find a fish. A fish? No, not a fish. Oh, yeah. A fish? No, not a fish. Ah, this is a fish. No? Not a fish? Surely this has got to be a fish. No? On the past one? Nah. What is a fish? Aha! He is a fish? No, he's not a fish. Wait. I've got it! You are the fish. Hello, fish!